Horses out, we have Siamo Pamilya, pass to begin, moving up party outside, Wilbert Storm, Darleb also moving up, Promise, Chonange, how did you know Thunderbird, most unbelievable, then followed over by number 5, Memories, then followed by entry, Mapagtiis, and going along for the first turn, we have Siamo Pamilya. Moving up now to take second is Darleb. How did you know he's racing in third? Wilbert's Charming Porta. Promise moving up by Drell. Then comes Thunderbird. Chonange in between horses, Memories. Then followed over by number 9, Most Unbelievable. Darleb takes the lead by our ahead. Siamo Pamilya is running by Drell second. How did you know in third? Promise now trying to get closer. Then followed by Memories and Wilbert Storm. Darleb by our length and a half. Siamo Pamilya dressed back in second. Promise now coming closer in third. How did you know? Then comes Memories as they come down at the last 200. Darleb by about 4 lengths now. Siamo Pamilya still in second. Promise on the outside. Last 100 meters. And it's still Darleb by about 4 lengths over Siamo Pamilya, Promise. And finally Darleb second, Siamo Pamilya. Then comes Promise close. Most Unbelievable, Mapagtiis. Then comes Thunderbird.